Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix camera blurry or not opening on DOOGEE Note 56 Pro. So first, open the camera on your phone, and if it's not opening or it's blurry, just close, flip your phone, and here you see the camera. Just take a microfiber and clean all the lenses right here. And also you can do the same with the front lens. Then unlock your phone. Go into the settings. Here scroll to the apps. And you should have camera in recently opened apps. If not, then see all and select camera. Here, storage and cache, and clear cache. Then also you can restart your phone. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.